This tile, I printed it on my printer. Let me show you how I did it.
At 19 cents a square foot, this tile was a steal, but I don't like black and white. I need color.
And I knew about this cool trick. This is called water slide decal paper. You can basically print whatever you want onto it and then put it on solid surfaces.
I decided I wanted animals all over the bathroom. This paper is so easy to use. All you have to do is spray this clear spray paint over the top of it and then soak it in water for like 30 seconds. This particular print is from before I learned that it's really hard to align the black with the color. I ended up just printing solid color and it worked out great. Look at all this super fun tile.
This is plain white tile that I ordered off Wayfair. And with the plain white tile,
I have a completely blank canvas that I can print whatever I want on.
I didn't print all of the tile. I purchased some tile pre-made already. This one and this one and this one were all ones that I bought with designs on them.
The most complicated part was laying it out and making sure that there was an even distribution of everything. Then I spent hours putting it up on the wall. I switched to mortar over here to save a little bit of money since the tile mats are expensive. And then I used black grout, which really defined all the edges.
I put in a LED shower. The best part is I got that shower head for $20 at a bargain supply place.
Would you like a bathroom like this in your house? If so, let me know in the comments and I might just create a PDF with all my tile designs for you to have. Follow for more.